If you're looking for a way to save money on tires, you might want to consider getting them repaired. Tire repair can be a great option for those who are trying to avoid buying new tires. Here are some of the benefits of tire repair. It is often cheaper than replacing your tires. You don't have to buy new tires if they can be repaired instead. Repairing your tires will extend their lifespan so that you won't need replacements as soon. The process involves patching up any holes in the rubber and then reinforcing it with an adhesive material, such as vulcanized rubber or plastic. This makes sure that no air escapes from inside the treads when driving down the road again. However, there are also some drawbacks associated with repairing tires. For example, if done improperly, it could lead to further damage later on down the line.